Hello and welcome to another Ask BHS with Ken Schweihart, my colleague, and I'm Chuck Ray. Thank you for joining us. Today we're going to talk about retensioning the chains on the multi-level operator aboard battery extractor machines. First question I got to ask you, Ken, is why?
Well, the lift chains on the extractors need to be equally tensioned, and you want them tensioned to a point where they're almost supporting they need to be preloaded so that all of the cylinders act as one when they go up. The hydraulic oil follows the path of least resistance, so if one chain is looser, that cylinder is going to go up a little bit before the others do.
There's repercussions.
There are. That one cylinder going up early or before the other three could result in off-level bed and equalization chain issues, rollers, overall frame
Stress.
Exactly.
You're going to let the cat out of the bag.
We're gonna let the secret out. This is previously only available to service school attendees, and it's a quick and easy way to ensure the chains are properly tightened and, more importantly, equally tightened consistently.
Because we want the people that are enjoying the BHS operator aboard battery extractor systems to experience the lowest cost of ownership. And these are things that, again, I always try to bring this up. Daily checklist and the planned maintenance.
Yep. And checking the tension on the lift chain should be part of both of those processes.
So it's a must. Okay, Ken, you ready to do a demo today?
I am. Let's do it.
We're going to show them how. Follow us out to the shop floor.
We are now in the research and development area, also a showroom and service school training area, and we're going to demonstrate setting the lift chains with consistent and proper tension. Tools required will be a pin punch, a hammer, and the secret ingredient is a 1/2-inch nut or similar sized spacer material. So another thing to note is when you're checking the tension of the lift chain, you want to check the chain with the unit in the fully down position and make sure that all 4 cylinders are fully lowered. As you can see right now, this chain is tight. This chain is tight, everything is tight. The unit is not fully lowered, so the inner frame is being held up by the chains. Go ahead, lower. Now that the unit's fully down, obviously that chain is too loose and we need to adjust it. So these are the adjusting chains for the lift chains. You want to tighten the bottom nut as much as you can by hand. All right, then have a friendly operator raise the machine slightly. Insert the nut between the inner and outer frame in the corner of the cylinder you're working on. Lower the unit, and what that does, it puts additional slack into the chain so you can adjust to the proper setting, which will be 1 additional full turn of the bottom nut. Remove the nut, go down, chain is properly set to the proper tension, and you can replicate that tension on all 4 cylinders, keeping them consistent. Additional tightening may be required for triples due to the longer chain, and you won't need this secret for quad stacks because the adjustment is on the outside of the cylinder and it's a lot easier to get to. You can just use a wrench to adjust that. The hammer and the punch are then for tightening the top nut to lock the adjustment in place. And we're done.
Ken, thanks for sharing this valuable bit of information with us today. If you've got additional questions or you need more information, you can always reference Tech Tip 968 on our website or our BHS Optima app. But of course, you can always call Ken and his team here.
If there's any additional questions, they can reach out to us directly at the aftermarket support hotline of 877-247-4968 or BHS4U, YOU, or they can email us at service@bhs1.com.
Thank you for watching this Ask BHS. Stay tuned, we've got more coming your way.